Good afternoon, guys. Nick here with Kaizink Screen Print and Embroidery. And today I'm going to show you how you take your separations and you bring them into a program, and that's going to get them ready to print for you. So you're going to want to have this program open here. This program is called Print Production Screen. It can be found down here at the bottom. It's going to be the third icon in. So if that's not open, go ahead and open that up. Additionally, you want to ensure that your second icon is open, which is going to be your color print program. That's the ripping program. So once you've had your separations done, save those to your hot folder. This program communicates with that hot folder. So you're going to come up here to the open, and then you see here we're in our print queue. So these are all the files that have been recently separated and are ready for print. So we can look here. Say we want to do this Mark Scott. I want to do the left chest and the back. What I can do is I can select one file, and I can just hold my shift, and the up arrow key is going to allow me to select multiple files. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. And it brings the files in, generating the different separations. As you can see there, we have our back. It's generated a live base for us, as well as the white that we separated, and as well as the left chest with the live base and the final white. From this stage, you'll want to go ahead and load your first screen onto the iMage, and you would select whichever one you're attempting to print here. I typically start with my base, and I work my way down depending on how many colors I have. So I would go ahead and hit the base, and then when you're ready to print, you come up here to this little icon. It says print. Go ahead and hit that button, and it's going to count down to 100%. And once it hits that 100% mark, the iMage will start beeping at you, and from that point you go ahead and press print on the iMage, and it'll send it away. Thanks for watching, guys.